Hi friends, I'm Scott from Sharky's Greenhouses and Beat Your Neighbor Fertilizer, and look at these beautiful houseplants that we came home with. Now, we went to the store, at the hardware store, to get something totally different, and we came home with these really nice houseplants. Some calanchos, we had some of these beautiful tropical bromeliads, and then this pothos plant, and totally got distracted and came home with some brand new plants. And one of the first things that I'm going to do is I'm going to protect these plants from my other house plants because potentially these might have some insects in there, and you might not even know just by looking at them, but very likely there could be some insects in them. So I want to go through and protect them, and I'm going to do that with a systemic insecticide. So this is a systemic houseplant insecticide, and what it is, it's a granular insecticide. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through and I'm just going to shake this right on top of that soil and go through it and go around. And I'm going to go through and do that on all my houseplants here. And what it does is once I water this, that insecticide is going to go down into the soil and it's going to get drawn up into the plant from the roots, and it's going to go through into the leaves and into the flowers, and it's going to protect this plant from the inside out. So if there's any aphids or thrips or whitefly, those harmful bugs that chew or pierce in on the plants, they're going to be killed by the insecticide. And that's a good thing. We don't want to have an outbreak of insects and have them all traveling throughout all my other houseplants. So that's going to be my first step, is protecting these plants and protecting my other houseplants that I already have. And I'm going to go through and I'm going to do that initially for these brand new plants, but then I'm going to get into a routine about every 2 months or so. I'm still going to use my systemic insecticide and just as a routine measure go through and protect all of my houseplants. And this is for houseplants, but it also does transfer into your outside plants. You know, during the summer when you're growing the petunias or the baskets or the combo planters, go ahead and use a systemic insecticide on those also, and that will help protect those plants from the outside bugs that are attacking them. So again, I'm using my systemic insecticide. This one is made by Bonide. We really like this product, and you go through, put it in your house plants, water them, and that will protect them from the inside out. If you're liking our videos, please be sure to give us a thumbs up and follow us on Facebook, and of course subscribe to our YouTube channel. We have hundreds of how-to videos there. And then you can hop on over to our beatyourneighbor.com website where we have our blog articles and our tips and tricks. Of course, our Beat Your Neighbor fertilizer, that's all over at beatyourneighbor.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.